Well, good morning. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett Me, and this morning I have some Donruss retail. The only thing I shouldn't say it's the only thing I could find. It's the only thing I picked up. They did have some hanger boxes, I believe, at the store, but they also had the blasters. No megas to be found at this point in time. I pretty much looked in every single store, and this was all that I could find in an actual grocery store. So this is the one that essentially has, I believe this is like the Target version because it's red for the box as opposed to yellow or blue. But anyway, so the thing is, these ones have either a mem card or a magnet card, and I'm hoping that with the weight of this that it's a magnet, because that to me is more attractive than the mem card. I'd rather have that. So anyway, so here we go. There's no odds really to show. So, and other people have already done unboxings and first looks of this, so I'm certainly not first by any means. Well, I must not have got a magnet because I do not see any loose magnet, and that's what I've been seeing for those that have been pulling a magnet, and that looks like a mem card right there. Which is weird because the thing is, the box is orange, but the packs are green. So that's kind of bizarre. Guess I didn't pay much attention to other breakers and stuff or other videos to see if that was the case or not. Well, let's see what we can hit. How many rated rookies, inserts, what have you, because the base cards really are nothing. Leonard Fournette when he was still on the Jags. Now he's with the Bucks. DJ Moore. Jack Doyle. Danielle Hunter. Golden Tate with the Giants. Trevon Diggs rookie. A nice Dan Marino vet. Aaron Jones. Yeah, this was all I bought. There was quite a few of the blasters. I could have bought a couple, but I'm not really into Donruss as much as I am Optic, so I just kind of grabbed just the one to hold some in my hand. Tremaine Edmonds, Darius Leonard, Dalvin Cook, Saquon, who's done for the year, Gabriel Davis, Canvas, rated rookie, Isaiah Coulter for the Texans, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Fitzmagic, playing on his, what is it, fifth team or fourth team out of the AFC East. John Ross, I think the only one he hasn't played for now is New England. He's played for all the rest. Well, the Young Ho Koo, that's a rookie. Kicker, Carlos Hyde, Matt Ryan, Justin Tucker, Drew Bledsoe, DeAndre Swift, rated rookie, Benny Snell Jr., and Frank Clark for the Chiefs. Another kid reporter. Jelani Tavi, I guess. Kenyon Drake. Julian Edelman. Derwin James. Casey Hayward. Rookie A.J. Terrell. Michael Vick on the Eagles. Tyreek Hill, Chiefs, who had quite the comeback last Sunday against the Chargers. I thought for sure the Chargers were going to win it. Well, we got a retro 1990. Matt Stafford, Kenny Golladay, Will Fuller, Bradley Chubb, who's out, Colby Parkinson, rookie for the Seahawks, Miles Sanders, Bob Greasy, and our retro Todd Gurley showing on the Falcons. He's photoshopped. So yeah, the retro. Next pack. Patrick Peterson, Allen Robinson, Emmitt Smith, Leighton Vander Esch, Myles Garrett, Cole Kmet, rated rookie, Zadarius Smith for the Packers, and Mike Gesicki on the Dolphins. Next pack. Start off with Trent Williams for Washington, Adrian Peterson when he was still with Washington, A.J. Brown, Austin Hooper, now on the Browns. Got a rookie of Tommy Stevens for the Saints, another A.J. Green, Devin Bush, and our Donruss, what is it? Action All-Pro for the Seahawks, Bobby Wagner. It's not a bad one to pull. Of course, not numbered or anything like that. Next pack. Another kid reporter. Jamison Crowder, Tyler Higbee, Chris Godwin, Tyler Lockett, and another retro. No, it's not a retro, it's a red. A red rated rookie, press proof for the Jets, James Morgan. Not numbered. A Grant Delpit for the Browns, rookie. CJ Azuma for the Bengals, and Juju Smith-Schuster. 3 packs left. Start off this one with a Marcus Allen on the Raiders, Josh Jacobs for the Las Vegas Raiders, and I guess I should look. Yep, they actually do have it. This one should say Oakland or LA. Josh Allen, the other Josh Allen, Deontay Harris for the Saints, Jerry Rice, nice Jordan Love rated rookie, Tyrann Mathieu, Honey Badger, and a Jason Peters for the Eagles. 2 packs left. Jim Kelly on the Bills, Marlon Mack, Devin Singletary, Eric Kendricks, Vikings, Leonard Williams for the Giants. I say Clavon Chaisson, rookie for the Jags, Jerome Baker for the Dolphins, and Aaron Rodgers. So here's the last one, should be the relic. So I guess I chose poorly. Curtis Samuel, Gardner Minshew, Drew Brees, Nick Bosa, and it's green, so I wonder if that's Jordan Love. Julian Okwara for the Lions, Tom Brady, Photoshop Bucks jersey, and Brett Favre slid right off the. It kind of still looks a little off center. Looks like it's that way just a little bit to my eye. I could be wrong. Back to our Nick Bosa and our relic. Nope, it's the Jets, so probably James Morgan again. Nope, Sam Darnold. Donruss thread. And it's number 14, his jersey number. That's kind of interesting. I'll sleeve it. just for the fact of sleeving it, because it's a relic. Whoops. So yeah, pretty much what I expected. Not a whole lot of greatness in it, but of course no numbered cards. Everything, I mean, yeah, you got some color parallels, but not a one of them are numbered. Everything is unnumbered, whether it's a hit or not. So sleeve these up and then we'll do a quick recap video, a recap of the break, the unboxing, the opening. Let's see. Like that. So looks like I got 3 rated rookies and the 1 red press proof rated rookie out of the box. So I don't know if that's an average quantity or not. So here we go. So quick recap. Let's start there. So the mem card, no magnet, got a mem card. Donruss thread, number 14 of number 14, Sam Darnold for the Jets. Our 1990 retro card is a Todd Gurley on the Falcons. Press proof, James Morgan, red for the Jets, not numbered. And then we got a canvas rated rookie of Gabriel Davis. We got this, I don't know what they refer to that as, I would call it a checkers. But Bobby Wagner, action all pros for the Seahawks. And then the 3 rated rookies, DeAndre Swift of the Lions, Cole Kmet of the Bears. And that's interesting too. Just picked up on that as well. And then Jordan Love. But the 3 base rated rookies are all the NFC North. How odd is that? Anywho, and then of course the other 2 inserts for the rated rookies were the AFC East. Yeah, strange. Anyway, that concludes this break of 2020 Donruss football, the retail version. Hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And as always, keep collecting.